Hey guys, it's me Sammy and welcome to
The Sammy Show!
And today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and it's going to be just like a natural look. So let's get started. So first off I took some BB cream and I just put it on some areas in my face and blended it in. Next, I took this CoverGirl powder palette, and a little blush brush, and just put that on my face. Now I took this neutral eyeshadow palette, and I took the lightest tan color, and I just put it all over my eyelid. Now that we're done with that, we're going to take our eye primer. I know you don't want to put on eye primer and then the eyeshadow, but I always like to use a base eyeshadow and then the eye primer. And before I forget, put on some concealer just under your eyes in a triangle format like mine and blend it. Once I've done that, I take my neutral palette again and get the lighter brown. And I'm just going to put it in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the lighter brown again and I'm going to put it up to my brow bone. As you can see, I did on the one eye. Now I'm doing it on the other. And yeah. Next, I take my white color and I dab it gently over where I put the lighter brown to the brow bone. Now we're going to take the darker brown, the darkest brown, and put it like where you'd put your eyeliner, and try to do it thin, kind of like eyeliner, but not really. And then I'm going to blend it down with my finger, as you can see how I'm doing that. It's kind of awkward, but it works. So yeah. Now I'm going to take my darker brown again and just dab it under the eyes like I done on top, but make sure not to make a mess. And I found for this step that a cotton swab works good, so if you have a cotton swab, that'd be perfect. And for mascara, for a natural look, I don't normally use mascara, I use water on my finger. And kind of swipe up my eyelash and it stays there for a pretty long time. I know you can probably find water anywhere, so it's better for a natural look. So this is how the eyes look so far. Well, we're done with the eyes, so this is how the eyes look. Now I'm taking this thing called a BB ball, and it's for your lips and your cheeks. So you just unroll it and put it on. And as you can probably tell, mine doesn't look that far away, but if I go up close, you can really see how chapped my lips are and how cracky they look. So I take a medicated EOS chapstick and I'm just going to put it over. I still wasn't satisfied with the lip look, so I took my favorite baby lips and put it on over, and it made it look so much better because it's so smooth and nice. So that was it for today, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial, and if you want to see more of my makeup tutorial, then tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!